The world's strongest chemtrail pilot is going to do Anatoly's. She hates that. Is going to do the helicopter, Anatoly helicopter. I can't lift. I can't lift with two hands, but perhaps with one hand. Look at this. We steer clear. I lift with ease, with ease. Damn. So he's going to do 90, what is it, 85 now. Anatoly style. He did that last one, 65 with ease. Helicopter, helicopter. Gotta use a little momentum. Melanie's in the background like, what? She's in wait and see mode. Come on. He did it. Helicopter, helicopter. Oh, look out, helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Yeah.